Hello, welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts, and this is Tracy. I took about 8 of these bags to make a container of tea. I boiled a big pot of water and placed the tea bags in the pot and let them steep for about 7 minutes. Took the tea bags out, and now I'm pouring me a big pitcher of tea to have for the rest of the week. Oh, or however long it lasts. I had tea left over, so I am making ice cubes, tea cubes. Place those in the freezer, and now I'm going to fill my tumbler up with some ice so that I can have some iced tea now. Rinse it out, and I'm going to fill this one up with the tea and put it in the freezer. So when I have my tea next week, I'll just put these ice cubes, these tea cubes, in my cups to enjoy with my fresh brewed tea. Lemon ginger, that is. Pouring the rest of the tea into my cup. Cheers, beers. Oh, that's good. Yes. Tea for the week.